Google AI Studio just launched a major update, and when you combine it with N8N, you've got an insane combo for building AI apps in minutes. And guys, I'm not just talking about theory, we've already built 2 fully working apps using this exact setup. And guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how they work and how you can build it for yourself as a beginner. So guys, the first app that we created is this fitness app, and it's called Red Bulk. And guys, the cool thing about this is that it allows you to type or select your fitness goal. And I mean guys, this can be a 3-day or even a 5-day strength training program, or it can even be the type of training that you would go for if you were looking towards getting a lean bulk. Now guys, after selecting your goal, the app instantly triggers the N8N workflow, and it does a web search and YouTube search to actually find relevant YouTube videos. And guys, the app returns a structured plan with titles, focus areas, day labels, and direct YouTube links. And you can simply just click on it to watch each day. And then for the next app, guys, we have a meal prep planning app. And this is where you can select the food and the daily calorie goal that you are going for. And after submitting it, N8N gets to work and it returns with a recommendation of 3 to 5 balanced recipe options per day. And the best part is it's complete with titles, ingredients lists, and step-by-step recipe instructions. And the best part of all, guys, is that both of these were built in just less than an hour. Are you telling me that an app can actually be built in less than an hour? Yes guys, it's true. And it's completely free with no coding experience required. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate your own app using Google AI Studio and also N8N. And by the end of this video, guys, you will have everything that you need to turn any basic idea that you have into a live interactive tool. And guys, to make everything even better, we have included our workflow in our free school. So what you have to do is simply just click on the link down below in the description, and here guys, you can simply just copy our template and everything is already done for you. So guys, once you are in, then what I want you to do is you have to head over to the classroom section, and it's packed with so many ready to use templates. And what you are then going to do is you're going to look for the one that is titled ZA14 Google AI Studio plus N8N equals insane app building. So click it to access all of the details, including a visual layout and download links for the JSON workflow, and access the Google document with the prompts so that you can dive right in with a proven setup. But now guys, let me show you how we can put all of this together and how you can start creating your very own apps. So guys, since we are starting off, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to head over to the N8N dashboard, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're going to create a new workflow. And then you are going to click on the 3-dot menu in the header, and then you're going to select import from file, okay? And this is basically just to choose the downloaded JSON file, okay? And then watch as all of the nodes are going to populate automatically. And this brings in the pre-connected structure, leaving just credentials and minor tweaks before activation. And it's also minimizing all of the setup errors that you might occur, and also getting you operational fast. Okay guys, so now that we have that, it's time for me to just kind of explain everything just so you understand exactly what we are going to be doing, okay? So here's basically how the entire workflow actually works. Okay, so when you submit your fitness goal into the app, okay, it actually triggers the N8N workflow through a webhook, okay, and then the AI then refines your goal into smart search terms, and it uses things like Tavily in order to find the best YouTube workout videos. And next, an AI agent then analyzes those results that you got, and it picks the top videos for your specific goal, and then it formats everything into a clean, structured plan, which is making it all easier for you to understand. And then the whole process basically takes around a minute to finish, and once you are done, you get your personalized workout plan with clickable YouTube links sent right back to the app. And then the whole app is actually being made with Google AI Studio, and the whole backend runs on N8N. So it's basically as simple as that. But now I'm going to show you how we can actually start building this from scratch, and I'm going to prove to you that you can do it in just a couple of minutes. Okay, so now that we have the the entire overview done, guys. Now let's build our app and also the back end together, okay? So first, you are going to grab the prompt from the free school, and then you're going to copy it into Google AI Studio. And then you are going to hit enter and let Google Gemini work its magic, okay? So now in just a few seconds, you'll see your fitness app appear on the right side of the screen, and you can already test it if you want to. So then this is actually the fun part, because here you can see how it all gets basically so powerful, okay? So we need to connect this app to our N8N workflow so that it can actually search for videos and also return real results. So here's how you do it, okay? You're gonna open your N8N workflow and find the webhook node. And then you're gonna copy the webhook test URL from the section. And now go back to Google AI Studio, then paste that URL into the chat and tell it all data from the web app should be passed to N8N as a text payload via this webhook URL. And just like that, guys, your front end and your back end are now connected. And when someone submits a fitness goal into your app, then it will trigger the entire N8N workflow that we just walked through. So as you can see, guys, that was really simple, but I'm going to show you how the rest of this gets even more simple. Okay, so now I often read in the comment sections that people want to customize it and they actually want to make all of this their own, okay? So it is definitely possible to do this, and I'm gonna show you how, okay? All we actually have to do is literally just change the prompt. So this prompt is how we generated the meal prep planner app, which is quite different from the fitness app, as you guys can see. So it's important to tweak your prompts depending on how you want your app to look like and also function for you, okay? So let's get back to creating the fitness app so that you can follow through and also learn the whole process first before generating any other app, okay? Because I genuinely feel, guys, that it is super important to understand every single step, understand what every single step does so that you can make the best decisions. And trust me, guys, I'm gonna show you it's gonna take a couple of minutes and you are going to be so satisfied, okay? So now you're going to head back to N8N to finish setting up the fitness app backend, okay? So let's start with the Tavily setup, followed by the Open Router setup. So Tavily handles the web searches for YouTube videos, pulling recent relevant results based on refined queries, okay? So sign up at tavily.com and then copy the API key from your dashboard and then paste it into the authorization header as bearer and your key in the search topic node's body parameters. And this should give us access to the internet to do research on your fitness goals, okay? So Open Router makes this workflow pretty smart. So create an account at OpenRouter and then head to Keys tab to generate an API key, okay? And then you are going to name the new key and you are going to copy it and configure to N8N's OpenRouter credential by entering in the API key field. And this credential links to the brain node, basically giving an AI agent a brain to think before it basically acts. Okay, guys, I hope that makes sense. And now, guys, it is time for us to actually test out everything to make sure that it works. Okay, so this is basically how the app works, okay? When you execute the N8N workflow, then you head back to the app to enter your fitness goal, okay? And once you submitted your fitness goal, the data then gets passed onto the N8N to process it. And then it gives us video recommendations. So the workflow refines the query, searches the web, and then also AI is used to format outputs with the respond node returning any array of videos. So there, guys, we just put everything in, and now that the execution is successful, let's check out the results that we got. And there, guys, as you can see, the app produces a whole plan with video recommendations which are relevant to your fitness goals. So each video recommendation includes a title, description, a day label, and a YouTube URL that leads you to the video, okay? And from here, you get to actually see that each thumbnail that you click on leads you to the actual YouTube video that should help you with your fitness goals. Guys, this is definitely a game changer, and it's the kind of thing that I can see helping so many people. But this is just an idea of what you can create in just a couple of minutes using this method. So take a moment and think, what can you create if you use this method? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. And there we have it, guys. Your fitness recommendation app is now fully operational. It's ready to deliver tailored workout plans that keep users motivated and also, more importantly, returning every time. And then next, guys, deploy the React app to a host like Vercel for public access. And what you're going to do is you want to monitor usage to refine prompts for better matches. And then, guys, don't forget to join our school community for all the support that you need. And what you can do is you can even share your first generated plans, or you can collaborate on expansions over at our free school. And then, guys, watch your user base grow with this hands-off AI powerhouse. Now, guys, I'm so curious to know, what are you going to be building? So if you have the ideas already, drop them down in the comments, guys, so that we can check them out. And also, guys, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another update. But guys, I'm Ty, and I will catch you on the next one.